Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Is it raining in your area? And if yes, do you enjoy it? In Delhi, the weather condition is very bad. In here, last 1.5 months, there is no rain at all. We all know Delhi is a semi-desert area. Maybe because of this, many gardeners pick plants suitable for this semi-desert area. But my mom likes to grow lots of flowering plants. Look, all of these plants are in a bad condition because of heat stress. 2 times a day we shower this plant for the relief of stress. If you have watched our old video, you might know 1 month ago we had planted these plants from seeds. Because of this bad weather, they haven't been able to grow well. But they have also got insect attacks. So in today's video, I will tell you how to take care of these plants during the growing season. If we want these plants to flower, we have to still wait till mid-October. And to make these plants bushy, time to time pruning is a must. I have already told you these plants are affected from insects, so my mom is pruning those areas where it's affected of insects. With this, the insects will go as well as the plant will become bushy. We all know to not water marigolds from overhead. We have to water at the base of the plant. It's because the excess water on leaves can lead to powdery mildew. You can also remove these insects from plants with a soft bristle brush. So make sure to pinch off the plants when they have established themselves to encourage them to grow bushier. This will also keep the plant becoming leggy and will encourage more blooming. We all know not to fertilize so much of any flowering plant during growth. This is because the fertilizers will only help the foliage grow, not the flowers. Also make sure to remove unwanted weeds time to time from the plant. This is because it hampers the growth and disturbs it. Next, I will tell you about the digging. You all know that digging helps in aeration of the plant. Now, I will answer some common questions for you all. First question is, what is the season for marigolds? The answer to that is that most of the marigolds bloom in winter. Remember, marigolds require full sun and grow best in well-drained loamy soil. Second question is, can marigold grow in any season? The answer is sowing of marigold can be done round the year. But if you ask what's the best sowing period, it is the rainy season. Third question, do marigolds need full sun? Yes, marigolds do need full sun all day to provide blooms all season long. Now I will talk about one very important topic, which is mulching. Mulching is needed for any growing plant. Here, as a mulch, my mom is using dried crushed onion peel. Here, my mom has given small portion of eggshell and another small portion of dried banana peel, which is also crushed. It not only acts like a mulch but is also a slow releasing fertilizer for your plant. If you have any other doubts, make sure to write those in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.